Now that you've had the opportunity to solve these three problems using your mole roadmap, we'll go through how to change 42.3 grams of water into moles, 2.78 moles of iron into atoms, and 6.15 grams of lead into lead atoms. There will be 3 questions just like these on your test. To start off with, 42.3 grams of water is our starting number, so it will go out in front. We'll then use our mole roadmap and we'll multiply it by 1 mole over the molar mass of water. Water is made up of 2 H's and 1 O. So when we look up those elements on the periodic table, we find that hydrogen has a molar mass of 1.0 and oxygen has a molar mass of 16.0. So when we add up 2 H's plus 1 O, we get a molar mass of 18.0 grams. When we plug that into our calculator, 42.3 times 1 divided by 18.0, we get 2.35 moles for our final answer. Moving on to the second question, we were given a starting number of 2.78 moles of iron, and we are changing that to atoms. So using our mole roadmap, we are going to multiply Avogadro's number, 6.02 e to the 23rd atoms, over 1 mole. And when we do that math, we get a final answer of 1.67 times 10 to the 24th atoms. And finally, our last problem, changing 6.15 grams of lead into lead atoms, is a 2-step problem. So we'll start with 6.15 grams of lead, and we will first multiply it by 1 mole over the molar mass of lead, which when you look it up on the periodic table is 207.2 grams. And then the second step will be to multiply it times Avogadro's number, 6.02 e to the 23rd atoms, over 1 mole. When you plug that all into your calculator, you get 1.79 times 10 to the 22nd atoms.